Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change colors for any object using Photoshop. A lot of times when we're doing product photos for a website where we're selling things, or perhaps you are editing photos for somebody who is selling on Amazon, we need to be able to change up the colors of the same item without having to retake photos of different colored items. So I have a quick and easy way to do this in Photoshop. Also, to automate the process even further, I've created an action to cut out most of the steps in this process. In case you have a lot of photos that you need to do this to, it'll save you lots of time. Let's get started. We're going to start by opening our image in Photoshop. Now I want to mention the higher resolution your photo is to begin with, the better this is going to work. What we want to do from here is go ahead and select using the selection tool. I like the quick select tool, but any of these will work. Basically all you need to do from here is make sure that the add to selection is chosen at the top, which looks like the little paintbrush with the plus sign over there, and select all of the area that you're going to change the color on. Once we have all of the color area that we want to change selected, we need to go over to our layers panel and choose create a new group. And then we want to add a layer mask to that group, and that's going to isolate the area that we have selected and allow us to only change that portion and not the rest of the image. What we need to do from here is go ahead and add an adjustment layer, and we're going to choose solid color. A box will pop up for a color picker. Let's go ahead and just pick any other color. You can slide this anywhere you want. Let's start out with green. Pick the color that you want and hit OK. And then we're going to go up to the mode and change it from normal down to color. Now from here, the next thing we need to do is go ahead and add another adjustment layer, and we're going to choose levels. We want to take this layer and drag it below the color fill layer. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and hit this little thumbnail. It kind of looks like a crown, but it's for the levels. We're going to go up to this box up here. Now there's three sliders. One's a darkish gray, medium gray, and white. And these are where you're going to have all the fun. From here, we're just going to slide them any way that we want to change the color to the exact color that we're looking for. And this is all creativity. Whatever you need your color to be on your object, you should be able to change it right here to the exact shade that you want your object to be. So once you have that, and it's the color that you like, go ahead and save it. And then if we need to change it again to another color, all we need to do is click back on this color fill thumbnail. Choose a different color. Let's go ahead with blue this time. Let's hit OK. Go right back to this adjustment thumbnail. And once again, we're going to move these sliders around to the exact color that you want for the next item. Just repeat this process, go right back to your thumbnail for the color fill layer and change it to whatever color you want next. Go back down and hit this levels thumbnail and adjust it as needed, and save each image every time you change it if that's what you need to do. Now these are not complicated steps, but if you're doing a lot of different products, it can help save a lot of time to automate this process. So I have gone ahead and done this for you if you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works really quickly here. I'm going to go ahead and delete these layers and get back to our original photo. Now all we need to do for this action that I've created is start with your object. Make sure you have your quick select tool and your add to selection. And you're going to go back through here and just select all of the colored area once again, just like you did at the beginning. Once you have everything selected, we just go down to the color swap action and hit play, and it will automatically bring it up to where you can choose your color. Just double click on this box, choose whatever color you wish to from here, hit OK. Click on your levels icon and go up to the top here and just adjust the slider to however you want that to look. You can save those images and then go ahead and click this again. Change your color once again, any color that you want. Go right back to that levels icon. Move everything around in the way that you want it. So that is pretty much it. Now you know how to change colors for any object using Photoshop. I will put a link in the description below on where you can get the action to speed up your workflow even further. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe.